can now see here. It is said that a car moving with a speed of 20 meter per second accelerates uniformly, and at the end of 5 seconds its speed increases to 50 meter per second. Calculate the acceleration. Now first of all we should plot. Here the initial velocity is 20 meter per second. The final velocity is 50 meter per second. And the time taken from reaching to 20 to 50 is how much? It is 5 seconds. Right? So directly we have to find acceleration. We can say A is equal to V minus U by T. So it is V is 50 meter per second minus 20 meter per second, and by T, that is 5 seconds. So finally we get 30 by 5 meter per second square. So finally we get it is 6 meter per second square. Okay. Copy this. Okay, now in this case you see a car moving with a speed of 50 meter per second accelerates, in fact sorry, it's not accelerates, retards uniformly, and at the end of 5 seconds its speed decreases to 20 meter per second. Now you have to calculate the retardation. Now same method here also I have to find acceleration only, but my acceleration will come negative, and that means retardation. So here we can say that the initial speed is 50 meter per second, the final velocity is 20 meter per second, and the time taken is 5. So what we get here? 20 meter per second minus 50 meter per second by again 5 seconds. So finally we get what? Minus 30 by 5 meter per second square. So finally we get acceleration as minus 6. But they didn't ask you acceleration, they actually asked you the retardation. Now if they told you what is the acceleration, then my answer will be minus 6. But since they have used the word retardation, so now acceleration negative means retardation is 6. So I can say retardation, then I have to write this step. Retardation is what? Retardation means negative acceleration. So I will write like this, and minus of minus 6 meter per second square, and that means it is 6 meter per second square. So finally I can say that the retardation is 6 meter per second square. So understand the difference. If it is acceleration, we leave it in negative, but since they asked us the retardation, then we have to follow this step, that retardation means negative acceleration. So when somebody say retardation is 6 meter per second square, that understandable, it is negative acceleration. Understand? Also remember that acceleration is a vector quantity. So that means it has a direction, and its direction is in which direction? Its direction is in the direction of the velocity, of the change in velocity. That means whichever direction the velocity is changing, that is the direction of acceleration. Okay.